time. What is going on, everybody, man? Wow, guys, I am freaking late. Guys, this time is not my fault, okay? It's really not my fault, all right? I had to do something this morning that made me late. But I'm here. JT, touchdown. JT is about to enter the building, y'all. That's right, guys. Hey, look at all this construction work. What is going on out here? It's starting to look scary out here, guys. They got cranes. Look at all of that. I don't know. Let's go over here to my section. We're going to park them out. Man, look at all these challenges, guys. If y'all still sleeping on these challenges, look at all these charges and challenges. Y'all better wake up. Get you one. Okay, I'm coming up on my... Look at that, guys. See what I'm saying? Can y'all see that? There's some new stuff in my truck that I didn't put down. I guess I'll park over here. I guess this just now my little new section. Who put that AC machine on my... What the... Alright. Okay, guys. I guess I got my own little section now. That's my little Dakota truck, my red truck, and my Pacifica. Alright, guys. Let me find some water. I'm going to park right in the JT section. So this is obviously the JT section. Alright. So, guys, I don't know, man. I think it's almost... It might be 9:30, almost 10. But I gotta get inside. Now, guys, y'all know we don't have a dispatcher, right? I know most of you dealers or shops or whatever have somebody that issue out tickets. We not such dealership, okay? Now that could be good, that could be bad. You know, I ain't gonna sit here and say that's a good thing because sometimes it's not. It becomes a matter of favoritism, and it becomes a big popularity contest, guys. Whoever the coolest, whoever the most popular, whoever can get the job done and earn the service advisor. It's almost like bribery. Look, are you gonna sell something on this thing? Are you gonna look it over real good? You know, it's almost like bribery that they picky about who they get their tickets to. Like, you know, I don't know, man. Like I said, that could be a good thing. That could be a bad thing, but depending on how you look at it. So because we don't have a dispatcher, that means there's no particular one person in here looking for or walking around going, where's JT? Where's JT? I like to consider myself a pretty cool dude, okay, with all the service advisors. I had one incident with one, but we have since squashed that. We have squashed that. Business is business, guys. Lay your personal beefs aside, okay, when it comes to now it's time to let's feed our family. Okay, sure, at the end of the day, we are employed by a company, but there is a section of the revenue stream that come in that goes to us, the employees. Okay, whatever your hourly rate is what's gonna come off the top end or the bottom end of that hourly rate that they charge the customer. I'll keep the numbers simple. Say if your company you work for charged $200 an hour. Say you make, I'm keeping the numbers even. I'm not saying, I'm just keeping the numbers simple. Just say you make $50 an hour. So if a customer come in and buy 1 hour worth of work, the company is going to collect $200 and you will get your 1 hour cut out of it, which happens to be $50. Now from now, it's split up in a whole bunch of other different ways, which is no concern of mine, okay? But it will be a concern of the service advisors and the service managers because I'm sure their salary is also factored into that amount, all right? But when you're an individual, you're only concerned with your cut. Make sure I get my 50 off of this 200. Guys, these are just numbers. These are just numbers. Don't go be walking around, JT make $50 an hour. No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm just putting out simple numbers, using simple numbers as an example. Y'all, look at them charges. Y'all see that? Nice charges, guys. I'm still gonna do this lot review when I get a chance, but I want my camera, that's my movie stand camera, where it won't be shaking like I'm doing now. I'm walking and the camera's shaking. That drives people crazy. They don't want to see that. Y'all better come on out here and get you a Challenger or a Charger, guys. Tell them JT seen you, man. They give you a special discount. I got a little pull around here, man. Not much. I got to get in and sit down with the owner, not the manager. I don't want to talk to the manager. I want to talk to the owner. So I got to sit down and talk with the owner. Look at that. That's nice, that boy. Y'all come on out here and get you one, man. Just tell them you, look at that, wide body. Just tell, woo, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Look at this. See, if it weren't for this color, I think this wouldn't be here long. Because it's kind of car people looking for. But the color may be turning them off. Guys, will y'all look at that? Oh my goodness. Look at the yellow thing. Y'all know what that's really for. I'm gonna talk about that on another video. Let me do one of these cinematic. Yeah, one of them little cinematic thingamajig. Yeah, this tight here. What's the sticker? Ooh. 56. I'm too close. No, that's what I'm saying. Look like it want to tell me now. Back up, back up. Yeah, that's nice there, guys. Man, I just ran into a stranger that's drooling over that baby. Never judge a book by its cover. He don't look like he got no money, but he one of those can just pop out. 56 cash. Y'all see the price tag on that thing? So, hey, I think this guy left his. Wait a minute. Is anybody in there? He might have a dead battery when he come back out. I don't know, guys. Let me go in here. Man, this video is gonna be long. But y'all know I'm gonna edit it up, chop it up. I'm in the shop, guys, so let me shut this down. Hey, somebody traded in. That's kind of like I got. Somebody traded that in and got something there. Imagine that. Alright guys, I'm here. I'm gonna get to work. Thanks for watching, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.